Taylor here with Agri drones. One of the most important parts of spray drone operation is keeping your records for FAA, EPA, and everything else that you need to stay compliant. If you're like me, you forget to do it until you're out in the field with the drone, and then you think, oh, I'll just do it later when I get back to the office, and then you forget to do it then too. That's why we've come up with the Drone Ops Center. It is a mobile platform designed to keep you and your pilots perfectly compliant with everything you need on the FAA side, state pesticide, and everything else. You can store all of your documents in there for FAA records, all of your training requirements. You can store all of your application records, create work orders, do billing through there, and automatically send FAA reports to the FAA on a monthly basis, just like you're supposed to. It is designed to be operator friendly in the field where you're operating and keep you compliant from start to finish. If you want to learn more, click the link below where you can see a full demo. Thanks.